Hey, how you doing, Pat here? Nope, you're not seeing things. We added a Tiger Triumph 900 GT Pro to the lineup. This is the wife's new ride, and she wanted to do a first impressions video. So, let's see what she has to say. And be extra nice, she was nervous filming this, and the old southern twang really came through today. It was pretty cute.
Hi y'all, and welcome to my review of my new Triumph. We just purchased this 2 weeks ago and brought home. It is a Tiger 900 2022, and I'm going to do my official review on the bike and what I like about it and how it rides. So stay tuned. So this is my brand new 2022 Triumph 900 Tiger. We bought this in Columbus at the Iron Pony, and we had an excellent sales rep, Brett, and they do upgrades there. So they had done this with the saddlebags, and then we purchased some other things like the bars on the side. This is the standard seat that came with it. I find it to be comfortable. There's a lot of people who would disagree, but I like the fact that you can raise and lower it. Right now, when I sit on it, I am 5'7" and I can touch the ground with my feet.
Question number one, what do you like about your bike mode so far?
Like the ride. It's kind of like being in the Toyota. It rides like a dream.
What do you like to lead so far?
Turn radius for me.
I didn't know my brand new microphone wasn't working, but luckily I had the two mics set up going in her helmet.
Yeah, you don't even realize you're cruising as fast as you are.
Yeah, I'm just the opposite. I think I'm going faster than what I am.
This is an easy bike to be in control of. As far as comfort, the seat sits in a good place. I'm 5'7" and can touch the ground. It reacts very well. This ease of which to use the controls. I really love that I can take those tight turns in third gear. You have good visuals with your mirrors. I mean, somewhere between a cross between a motorcycle and a dirt bike, but
Well, that's the whole point of the adventure bike category, trying to get the best of both worlds.
you definitely do. I like how I can lean on this and take the curves a lot smoother. I also like how I'm not afraid of things like the bumps or the tracks, or it just handles everything like it's smooth. I also like being able to get on it and cross over it. There isn't any drawbacks to this bike. The speed pickup is incredible. It responds just like you want it.
Just think, you're only in rain mode still.
Yeah.
You've not tried regular or dynamic yet.
No. Which I thought about that on that dirt road. You gotta check the oil level when I get home too.
but it's fine. I already looked at both of them this morning.
Honestly, I don't know what to say when I review a bike, except I'm a girl. I'm an intermediate rider, and everything about this bike responds well to me. I like the height, the drive, the being able to handle it, the weight. When we talk about bad, it's not so bad. It's different, like the brakes, getting used to the brakes. I'm not used to an ABS brake system in a bike, but it handles and responds just like it should, like in a car. The ride is smooth. I know a lot of people critique the seats, but I'm not having any problem with the seat. I like the fact that it angles down. I like that it's adjustable, and that, like I said, at 5'7", I'm able to plant my feet on the ground and feel comfortable. I like the fact that it's got cruise control, and I'm able to set a speed and ride if I'm going to just go be on main roads. And trust me, the heated grips and the heated seats are just an added bonus. I did have the heated grips on. They do work well. I like the range on it too, that you can take them down, and you got that intermediate zone as well as the high level. I like the seat. The heated seat feature is amazing. Who doesn't like warm buns?
I'm usually sitting on mine so it doesn't get cold.
It's gonna sound weird, but on the bigger bike that I had versus this one, I just feel more confident on the ride because of the comfort, the way it feels between my legs. You know, the tank doesn't feel like it's enormous. It actually feels like when I can stand on these pegs and lift my butt up, I've got it.
But yet you have about the same capacity as motorcycle gas tanks on both bikes.
It's just the way it was laid out. I'm not used to the gear ratios on this, so of course I kind of got to learn when to put it in third gear and fourth gear and fifth gear. And this has 6, but I don't ride in it.
No, you got to get used to hearing a higher revving engine. That's the one big change coming from the cruiser world to the adventure bike world.
The ride, it's just enjoyable. It's, to me, like I said, I find the seat to be comfortable, but I also find that as I'm riding, it's just comfortable. The whole entire ride. I like the ease of which you can put it on the stand and get it off of it. I like that I can take the seat off easily. And the compartment that's under it's kind of cool, but you know, if you need to charge something, the accessories on this is excellent. It really makes the rider be able to have what they need. I really like the ease of which you can change it too. The screen's a nice feature. You can change the screen colors and what you want to see so that it suits you. It's got easy visuals for night and day, so at night it turns yellow, but you can change the display. What?
Good job, turkey.
Woo!
Wow.
Oh my, I
We're
saw
down
it.
there.
Holy moly!
Hey, thanks for watching that. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks again.